Now similarly we are going to create for mn minus 2, so that is the mn of 2. So basically what we are doing is we are extracting the first one, we are extracting the second one, and we are just provide, I mean, with the function or length function, I mean the how the way we calculate the length, or the way we find out is there anything in between these two terms, then that will be captured into the third one. Okay, so this is the basic funda behind this. Now let's see how this thing is done. So in this case, find, again we are going to use the same function find, and in this find we are going to use the same thing, which is full name, and then comma, and then space, and after this space we are going to use mn minus 1, and that too plus 1. So this will what this particular thing will do, so this will take or exclude the first one and will take only the second one. Let's create, I mean, let's just save this. M1 and M2 both are done. We can check out what it is showing us. It is showing nothing but these numbers. You can see these numbers, right? So these numbers are displayed. What are these numbers? These numbers are nothing but showcasing that there is something in between or not, right? Now what we'll do is, now we can, I mean, we got these numbers, where 2 4 6 8, so this is the number, so the seventh. So that means Albert, if we count ALBERT, this is 6 space 7th, so it is going to start from the 8th one. If we consider this last one, then this will give us M1 and M2 as 7, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6, from back it's 7. Let's check out with this. It's GEOGE, which is 5 and 6. So this one is 6. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6. MN2 is again 6. Okay. So we need to check out these points, why these are giving exactly, I mean, on the coming on very similar platform. Now let's just first create the calculated field for middle name, okay, which is the final mn, and this function now contains the mid function. So this mid function contains the string, which is again very normal, the full name, and then after this we are going to have the first name, right, which was mn minus 1 plus 1 comma mn of 2, right? And we'll save this, and we'll put this thing, and we'll remove these two things. Now we can see it very clearly that Albert Einstein comes, right? And it is showing Lee Ku. We need to check out why these why this term came in like this, but it is capturing the second path, right? And again, now in this case there is nothing like Peter Parker, but again it's showing Parker. Okay, so we need to check out why it is coming in like this. So that means we have a problem with the first one, I mean the second one, because it is not showing us the one which we need to have, right? So what we can do is we can just edit this thing. Now in the second one, we needed to do a plus 1 to this. Yes. Now it is also for the other ones it is not showing, but still it is showing for this particular, I mean, now it is showing for the people who have surname, middle name and surname both. Again, I need to check out with the second one, edit this one and space. Okay, substring, comma, start one, and this one is fine. Let me check out with this. Is there any problem with this? One. Okay. So now, as we can see, we have middle name, which consists middle name and last name both. So in this case, what we can do is we can again have a calculated item, um, middle name underscore new, and over here we can again put up the same split function on middle name, comma, delimiter space, comma 1. Once we do this, we have this thing coming up, and yes, now we have splitted properly the middle name. So this is how the middle name works. So now let's put up the first name. Okay, and then we can also have the last name. So Albert, Einstein, George, etc., etc., etc. can be put in up, right? So this is one of the way. Now again, there is again one of the way to do the thing, and we can directly just have a split function, and we can obtain the same output. So this was how to split a function which is having such inconsistent things with them. For example, in the name section, the same thing comes with the countries as well. So when a country and a country code is given together with some or the different delimiters, so into the similar format, we can split it out.